Proper pronunciation is key to speaking English clearly and being understood by others. Let's dive into some effective techniques to enhance your English pronunciation. First, focus on the basic English sounds. English has many sounds that might differ from your native language. Start with the vowel and consonant sounds. For instance, English vowels can be long or short, like in the words beat and bit. Practice pairs such as ship and sheep or full and fool to grasp the differences. Consonants can also be tricky, especially sounds like in, think, or this. Take your time with these sounds, practicing them slowly at first. Next, mastering word stress is essential. In English, the emphasis on certain syllables can change the meaning of words. For example, present as a noun is stressed on the first syllable, present, but as a verb, it's stressed on the second syllable, present. Practice words with different stress patterns to notice how they change, helping you sound more natural when speaking. Then, let's talk about sentence stress and intonation. Not every word in a sentence is stressed equally. In the sentence, I want to go to the park, the key words are want, go, and park. Stress these words more than others. Intonation, or the rise and fall of your voice, is also important. English speakers often raise their voice at the end of a question, like, are you coming? Practicing sentences with different intonation patterns will help you understand how they sound. Another effective technique is using minimal pairs for practice. Minimal pairs are words that sound very similar but have one distinct difference in pronunciation, like bat and pat or van and fan. These pairs help train your ears and mouth to distinguish between different sounds. Try saying pairs like rice and rise or live and leave aloud. This practice will enhance your ability to hear and produce various English sounds. Listening and repeating is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation. Engage with native speakers through podcasts, English learning videos, or audiobooks. Pause after each sentence, repeat it aloud, and mimic the pronunciation and rhythm. Recording yourself speaking can also be beneficial. Listen to your recordings to identify areas for improvement. Tongue twisters are a fun way to enhance your pronunciation and fluency. Try saying, she sells seashells by the seashore, or how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? These exercises help master tricky sounds and improve articulation. Start slowly, then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Focus on problematic sounds that challenge you. For many beginners, sounds like teen think or in red can be difficult. Concentrate on practicing these specific sounds. For the T sound, place your tongue lightly between your teeth and blow air out gently. For the R sound, curl your tongue slightly without touching the roof of your mouth. Regular practice of these problem sounds will help you overcome pronunciation challenges. Using a mirror can also be helpful. Check the position of your lips, tongue, and mouth when pronouncing different sounds. For example, when making the B sound, your lips should come together and then open as you release the air. This visual feedback will help you adjust your pronunciation effectively. Lastly, immerse yourself in English songs and movies. They are excellent resources for practicing pronunciation. Sing along to your favorite songs or repeat lines from movies. Focus on how native speakers pronounce certain words and use intonation. This exposure helps you get used to the natural flow of English and pick up new sounds in an enjoyable way. Improving your pronunciation takes time and consistent practice. Set aside a few minutes each day to focus on one or two sounds at a time. Celebrate small improvements and keep challenging yourself with more complex words and sentences. With dedication and practice, you'll enhance your English pronunciation and speak with greater confidence.